Have you been considering running a PPC campaign for your practice in order to generate more leads or build your overall business? Or are you currently running a PPC campaign and you're not sure it's as good as it can be and you want to improve it? Hi, I'm Dr. David Evans of Ceatus Media Group, and today we're going to discuss the answer to these questions and many more. But first, let's start out with defining what PPC is and how it works. PPC stands for pay-per-click advertising. PPC ads are those that appear on the top and the bottom of the Google search results. You can see the ads here. The top ads always get the most clicks. Each time an ad is clicked, you pay a fee. That's why it's called pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. PPC advertising can be a very effective way to grow your business or practice quickly, as it offers immediate visibility. A well-run campaign allows you to directly track the effectiveness of every ad and determine your return on investment. Other big advantages of PPC campaigns are that they let you target a specific geographic area and certain demographics in that area. And you can emphasize the specific services or products where you want to grow by using the correct text and calls to action in your ads. Of course, well-run campaigns for PPC require significant skill and experience. Our well-trained team of Google certified specialists have run many campaigns and often exceed the industry averages for ROI. Our specialized team avoids the most common mistakes. We have found, for example, many campaigns are set up incorrectly for the geographic areas and for the demographics. For example, we audited campaigns where the ads for cataract or facelift procedures were targeting 25 to 35-year-olds, or breast augmentation campaigns that were targeting a male demographic. And other mistakes include not using the type of text in the ad that drives potential patients or customers to your practice or business for the services you would like to offer. Of course, success speaks for itself. Here is a case report for a practice in Florida. The PPC campaign was performing well, being managed by an internal marketing team, but this marketing team did not have the time or experience to study the results and make the adjustments the Ceatus team did. Our team revised the campaign and helped Dr. Middleman to receive a 454% increase in phone calls and a 447% increase in conversions. We hope this video has been helpful. If you'd like to learn more about PPC advertising, please visit our website at www.ceatus.com. Our staff will be happy to perform a free audit of your PPC campaign or of your other marketing activities.